Hello everybody, missing moment. Today, we're going to talk about your tax records. Have you guys looked at your actual tax record of your home? This is mine, and we have had it a little bit updated since we bought this house. We've actually renovated what was a room, turned it into a closet because this is an old house and the closets are 5 seconds big. So we added another bathroom, a full bath. Anyway, when you do things to your home and you don't let the county know and you don't pull permits, they don't get on your tax record. So when people say, oh my God, everything is wrong out there, all the third-party websites are wrong, well, that's why. You guys, they take the information from your county tax record and that's what's public knowledge. That's what they sell to everybody. That is what influences your value of your home. That's why you need a realtor to come by and visit your house before they just take an estimate of what your value is in your home, and especially in comparison to your neighborhood. And I know you've heard me say this before, the last 6 months, the last 2 years of this market were crazy. So everything that I do now, I'm not going back much further than actually 3 months to really solidify a number. I'll go back 6 months to see what's sold. And if you live out in nowhere land, we might have to go back a year because nothing will have sold within 5 miles or 10 miles if you have lots of acreage. So anyway, but I want you guys, if you want, just yell and I will send you, excuse me, I will physically put your tax record in the mail and pull some comps that are in a 1/2 mile radius, a 1 mile radius, or a 5 mile radius, if that's what it takes, just so you can see what's sold close to you. So I want you, when you get your tax record, I want you to look at, first off, obviously your county should always be correct. Your, up here in the top corner is the tax ID number. So anything that happens in contract, your tax ID number and the legal description, where is it? Right here. The legal description of your home will be on a listing agreement or a contract, or when you refi, anything, those items have got to be correct. And then your names. Make sure your names are right on there, especially if someone has passed and you have all the legal documents and everything taken care of. You may want to make sure the county has it correct also. The next things that always are messed up are the finished square feet, bedrooms and baths. And if you have new construction, they're all wonky because nobody, a lot of times they don't even put in, once the house is built, just the land value is all that's there almost for a year. And then you're going to get this tax record or this tax bill that's going to take you back because guess what? Now the county is caught up and they put the house value incorporated with the land, and now you're being taxed on what you really live in. So just be prepared for that if you have new construction. But your tax assessed value is not your resale value. It's the assessment, and it's almost always lower here, and thank God, because that's what you pay your taxes on. So our assessed values are crazy lower really than our market value right now because our market values are so high. So then the next line down is the date of which you bought your house and your name. So again, just make sure your names and stuff are correct. It should have the sales amount and it should have the year of which you bought it or the actual date that you bought it. The next thing under building characteristics, it's the square feet. Finished square feet or total square feet, then it has finished square feet. Then if you have a basement, it has that finished or unfinished. And if you finished your basement and it doesn't reflect on your tax records, then how is anybody going to be able to give you value for your finished basement? Even if you have a bedroom and a bath down there, even more essential that you let the county know. The other thing is, if you didn't pull permits from the county when you finish your basement, they're not going to know. So check on that. That might be important. And then the other thing to consider, you guys, if you didn't hire a professional that was a licensed contractor and permitted God forbid a fire start and they route it back to the basement electrical and you never had it inspected or permitted, your insurance might not cover your whole house if it burns down. So just a thought. You know, none of us want to pay more taxes, but if everything is recorded incorrectly and it's you have not let your insurance company know that you finished the whole basement and you put a pool in your backyard and you added on a detached garage, how are they going to offer you replacement value if you didn't do that, if you didn't let them know that information? The other thing is when I do a townhouse, or when you do townhouses, you either have your end units or interior units. End units usually have more value to them. Interior units are a little bit less. So that factors into when I pull comps and stuff like that too. The bedrooms and baths a lot of times are screwed up, especially on new construction. If they only did a perk for a 3-bedroom perk and you have another bedroom down in the basement, it's an office, because the builder gets away for paying less than because he didn't have a 4-bedroom perk, because I think that bumps them up into a whole nother category. So anyway, finished square feet, whether your basement is even documented, how your bedrooms and baths are correct or not, and then make sure your names are correct, that it's detached, and you really can't base the style of your house. People, I don't think they understand what a colonial is, what a rambler is, a rambler with a basement, or Cape Cod, or a split level. A lot of times that's incorrect too. So if you do want me to send you your tax records, I'll be happy to do them. They're the most recent one is 2023. Yeah, 2023 is the one that we have available to us now. And then we can certainly get it to you, and then you can go to the county and get things corrected for your own well-being. If you're getting ready to sell, I would do that sooner than later. If you think everything is all out of whack, get it squared away, because when I meet the appraiser and make sure that you're getting the full value for the price that we've listed it for, your tax records is a relevant part of the appraisal package. And he obviously is going to walk your house, and they're going to document the finished square feet, bedrooms, and baths, but it helps to have it right with the county. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great one. That's a missing moment. I would love to help you in any way possible. If you're getting ready to do some things to your home, yeah, I'll swing by. Let's make sure the money that you're investing in upgrading or updating your home is where you're going to get the most money. Bye, y'all. Have a good one.